The wait is finally over. Oppo and OnePlus are about to shake up the foldable phone market with their latest flagships, the Oppo Find N5 and the OnePlus Open 2. And guess what? The official launch is happening on February 20th. But hold on, are we getting two different foldables or just the same phone with different branding? Let's break it all down. Oppo has now confirmed the global launch, and since these two brands are closely linked, the Find N5 and Open 2 will launch at the same time in different regions. But Oppo didn't just stop at the date, they've dropped official images, and leaked hands-on photos have surfaced, giving us a proper look at this beauty. The design. Absolutely stunning. We're talking Hasselblad-powered cameras, a large cover display, and a sleek, nearly crease-free foldable screen, a rare sight in the foldable world. It's got a OnePlus Open vibe, with a sprinkle of Pixel 9 Pro Fold energy. Now, let's talk specs, because things are getting serious. The OnePlus Open 2 is rumored to be super slim, just 9.2 millimeters when folded, which is crazy thin for a foldable. The main display. A massive 8-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. And the cover display. A 6.4-inch OLED, perfect for single-handed use. Under the hood, this beast is expected to pack the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip with 7 cores, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage. And let's not forget the 5,700 mAh battery with 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, because no one likes waiting around for their phone to charge. Now, the cameras, this is where things get really interesting. Oppo and OnePlus are sticking to a triple 50MP setup, covering main, ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Expect AI-driven enhancements, especially in skin tone processing, to differentiate the two models. Oh, and durability. IPX9 water resistance, so no worries about accidental splashes. 4 colors, you're looking at dusk purple, jade white, and satin black, each giving off a premium vibe. And yes, they've kept the alert slider and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, because let's be real, removing those would have been a crime. So, are you excited about these foldables? The Oppo Find N5 and OnePlus Open 2 are shaping up to be serious contenders in the foldable market, and February 20th is going to be a big day. Let me know in the comments which one you're more excited about. Also, don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech updates and check out these other videos on your screen for more exciting news. See you in the next one. Peace. Rocket.